All right, folks, this is an Olympia SM8, 1965. Got this from Shop Goodwill. I won the bid, and it's in good aesthetic shape, but when I got it, the carriage was jammed, and in a certain spot, like halfway through, it just jammed. So I found out that there was a little bend right here going down, and it was catching on that metal right there. So that was holding that up. I fixed that. Now she's going real nice. Except these, I got to clean these the keys up because, oh my God, it was so gunked up in there. So gunked up. I already put some contact cleaner in there, but I have some denatured alcohol coming in. 1965, folks. I'll take another video when I'm done. God bless you, folks. I'm going to get this in a short. Bye.